Hi guys, in this video we will see how to remove green check marks on desktop icon from your Windows 11. As you see, all files and folders having a green check marks, tick marks. How to remove this we will see in this video. In this tutorial we will remove all this green tick mark from desktop icon. From the taskbar you will see your OneDrive icon. Simply click on it and choose settings cog from the top right corner, and on settings page click on settings cog from the top right corner and choose settings again, and here you will find your account, and here you will find option unlink this PC. Click on it, unlink account on this PC, choose unlink account, and you can see all your green tick marks successfully removed from your desktop icon. That's all.